Getting older or living with a disability shouldn't mean losing independence. In this video, we're sharing 10 powerful Amazon gadgets that make life easier, safer, and smarter for elderly and disabled users. Let's dive in. This is the Kimina Padded Bathtub Safety Rail, a sturdy, easy-to-install grab bar designed to help elderly and disabled users get in and out of the tub with confidence. Made from durable steel with a soft padded grip, it attaches securely to most flat-rim bathtubs and adjusts to fit snugly without damaging the surface. Ideal for anyone recovering from surgery, dealing with mobility challenges, or simply looking for extra support in the bathroom. This is the Srora Toilet Safety Rail, a heavy-duty assistive frame designed to offer reliable support for seniors and individuals with limited mobility. With padded, non-slip handles and a strong aluminum build, it provides extra stability and comfort when sitting or standing. Its foldable design fits most toilets and installs easily without tools, making it a practical solution for safer, more independent bathroom use. This is the Kolb's Bed Wedge Pillow, a supportive and stylish solution for better sleep and comfort. Designed with a memory foam top and a washable jacquard cover, it gently elevates your upper body to help relieve snoring, acid reflux, heartburn, and back pain. Perfect for sleeping or relaxing upright in bed, this wedge pillow combines therapeutic support with modern bedroom aesthetics. This is the Made-to-Sight Electric Chair Lift, a powerful mobility aid that helps seniors or those with limited mobility stand up safely and independently from the floor. With a strong motor, adjustable height, and a wide, supportive seat, it's designed for easy transfers and everyday comfort. Cordless, foldable, and simple to use, this lift brings back confidence and dignity without the strain on caregivers. This is the Homemade Heated Blanket, a cozy electric throw designed for warmth, comfort, and peace of mind. Made from ultra-soft flannel and Sherpa, it offers 10 heat levels, auto shut-off options, and overheat protection, making it safe and easy to use, even for seniors or those with limited mobility. Whether on the bed, couch, or in the office, it's a perfect cold weather companion for comfort and energy-efficient warmth. The EZ-P Pro 43-inch foldable grabber reacher tool is a heavy-duty yet lightweight reach aid designed to help seniors, disabled individuals, and those with limited mobility pick up items without bending or straining. With a 5-pound lifting capacity, foldable frame, and dual magnetic tips, it easily retrieves hard-to-reach metallic or non-metallic objects. Its long length and clip-on design make it a versatile daily companion for wheelchairs, beds, and walkers. The Homemader Electric Knife is a powerful and ergonomic kitchen tool ideal for effortlessly slicing meats, turkey, bread, and more. It includes 2 stainless steel blades, meat and bread, a serving fork, and features a 70.9-inch, 6-foot cord for flexibility. With low noise and vibration, a dual safety lock, and dishwasher-safe blades, it's designed for user safety, convenience, and clean cutting. Perfect for cooks of all ages. This is the Pull Palette Adaptive One-Handed Cutting Board, a thoughtfully designed kitchen tool for individuals with limited hand mobility. It offers a secure and stable surface with built-in spikes and bread stops to make one-handed food preparation easier and safer. Made from durable bamboo, it features a lightweight, eco-friendly design with non-slip feet and a protective cover. Ideal for seniors, stroke survivors, and amputees, this board supports independent living and simplifies everyday kitchen tasks. This is the CabTE Chair Couch Stand Assist, a reliable daily living aid designed to support seniors, individuals with disabilities, and those with limited mobility. With its sturdy metal frame and ergonomic non-slip handle grips, it offers stable assistance when rising from or sitting on a chair, couch, or sofa. The sleek white frame easily slides under most furniture and helps reduce the risk of falls while promoting independence. Its lightweight design, easy assembly, and floor-safe rubber feet make it a practical addition to any home. This is the Step 2 Gold Tada Chair, Series 2 Paro, a versatile and portable walking stick that instantly converts into a comfortable seat. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it offers support for walking and a quick resting spot for tired legs. Made from lightweight, aircraft-grade aluminum, it's easy to carry and supports up to 300 pounds. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, while the large seat enhances comfort. Equipped with anti-slip rubber feet for stability, this folding chair and walking stick combo is perfect for hiking, camping, or daily use.